Okay, so good morning. I'm deciding to start up a vlog again. It's been quite a while since I've done this sort of daily. At least I'm going to try and do it every 2 days or so. But, you know, it's 2019 now, so here comes the next 3 months of accidentally writing 2018 on my paper and then erasing it and writing 2019. So I've got a little bit planned for today. I'm going to try and run over to the hardware store and get something called milk paint. I'm going to try and paint my spatula handles that I've been carving. I actually made a video for a quick gift. It's up in the corner, whichever side it is. It's in the cards, not cards, it's in the annotation. And I'm sorry if I sound a little bit hoarse, I'm just coming off of a cold, so my throat's a little bit scratchy. Also, from now on, I'm going to be posting these daily geek videos on a different channel. That will be up in the cards, annotations again, so it'll be at the end of the video, and you can click up in the corner to take a look at it. So this will be the last video of, I guess, the last vlog, Daily Geek on Geek Out Hobbies. From now on, it's just going to be project videos and how-tos, you know, all woodworking projects on Geek Out Hobbies. So I'm just going to make some breakfast, and then I'll head over to the hardware store. Appreciate it. So, finished breakfast, and now me and my dad are going to go to the hardware store and pick up the milk paint. This is the wrong weather for winter. Feels like 60s?
I'll take it, as long as I can make snow.
I don't like it. It shouldn't be this way.
Anything that might be gravity? No, not even. That's just like...
Hello, Ace Hardware. Yep. So, unfortunately, Ace did not have the milk paint in stock, so I'm just going to order it off of Amazon because it was around about the same price. And I probably will have more options on Amazon as well, because I think they had only a few colors on their store website, and then Amazon had a bunch more colors. So, now we're walking home. My dad bought a broom. Yeah. These are the colors I'm getting. I'm getting a yellow, a red, a green, and a blue. I think those will look nice on all the spoons I have. Oh, hello. So it's now about 2 days later. Nothing really happened since the last cut, really. It's just the end of the day. My dad and I played some board games. This is Jade. Played some board games, and then yesterday was just the first day of school since break, so I wanted to kind of focus on school, but I'll try and vlog a little bit today, and hopefully I'll be able to get this out. So I just have to feed Jade down here. There she is. And then I'll continue on with my day. Also, we got our swim team merch in. Look at this. Oh, it's real nice. It's comfy too. Nice and warm. Alright, I'll feed you. Jeez. There you go. You happy? My God. This cat. Alright, so you probably can't see me at all since it's dark out, but we're walking to the bus stop, as we normally do in these vlogs, where I give quite an update on the vlog and what's going on. So, we're going to the bus stop. Let's see what's going to happen today. It's a normal day. I have American Studies, which is a English credit class, and then I have Calc 1, and then I'm going to be having my chemistry lab block. So, pretty normal day. That's not the bus. That's the bus. I thought that was the bus. I was looking down at the ground to make sure I didn't trip over anything. It's like, oh, here's the bus. Get the camera out. Nope. That's the bus. Looks like it's snowing. Ooh. Nice. Good morning. Will! Will, where's Will?
Will went up.
Will's in the bathroom when he are doing. They just walked into the slide.
Who's ready for practice?
What up, Hitler?
Making up start
193.
start up a vlog again. It's time for swim practice.
Oh, Jesus.
Yup. I'm gonna have practice and then I'm gonna get back to you. Woo. Alright, so we just finished up practice and all the merch has been handed out. There's 2 sweatshirts left that people are gonna pick up tomorrow. And yeah. Just gotta finish packing up my stuff. Got a couple things on the deck, and then we can probably continue this vlog at home. I'm gonna do a little bit of homework. It's the vlog.
It's the vlog?
It is the
Oh
vlog.
my God, let's go.
Real camera.
I'm on the vlog, guys. Let's go.
What is the vlog?
He has a
Daily
YouTube
Geek.
channel.
Yeah.
He has a YouTube
I have a YouTube channel, so I make short woodworking movies, and then I have a thing called Daily Geek. That's not really a daily vlog, but I vlog, every once in a while.
People from school or anybody you know follow.
Yeah, they do.
I'm subscribed. I was at 300.
Yeah,
I'm a
well.
loyal subscriber for 1 year now. 300.
My man.
That kind of thing.
That being said,
not university.
that gives us an opportunity for people like Maya, Sky, or Emmy, or anyone else that wants to stand up for a second and use the device.
Alright, so it's time to start my homework now. I am going to be studying for a 50 states quiz that I have tomorrow. I've got most of the states done, but I've always messed up on a couple. I always mess up on Iowa and Indiana and Nebraska and Nevada. So I got to make sure I keep track of those ones. But other than that, I'm pretty good. So the quiz is tomorrow. It's a history. It's in history. It's actually a pretty easy grade to get. If I get another 100%, I won't have to take them anymore, which is always fun. But then after that, I'm going to start preparing for my American Studies, which is an English credit class, final. We're going to be reviewing some class definitions of some words we made at the beginning of the year. And I think maybe a couple of them could be revised, but I'm going to get to studying. Wisconsin. That's not Wisconsin. This is Wisconsin. This is Minnesota. That's Wisconsin. Nebraska. Oh, Nebraska. You're Nebraska. Oh, that's Nevada. Shoot. Nebraska. So I told you. All right, 100%. Oh yeah. All right, gotta do that a couple more times now. That's it for today. On the end screen, you'll see a link to a channel that the vlogs are gonna be posted on, and that's really it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you really love what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.